Greetings, guys. Today I'm gonna bring a honest book review of Current Affairs Half Yearly 2020 Competition Focus by Arihant. It is one of the most useful books for all competitive exams, and as you can see, is 400 current MCQs also there. Comes for only 70 rupees. Actually, this covers the topics till September because it's half yearly. You can see good exam dates are also given which are going to happen. The book is divided into many different parts. First is the national affairs, then state. After that, you can find science and technology, in which there's included space and about nature. Also after that, you can find about the defense. Economic affair can also be found, and even sports affair, that's lastly. At the end, we can see that a few MCQs are given, so that is very helpful if you're preparing for current affairs for any government exam. Let's start. National affairs. In this, a short glimpse of every topic is given in very good detail. So as you can see, I have marked it out. You can mark it, and before the exam you can revise it wherever it is needed. The diagram and map is also shown. This is the cyclone Amphan. A few box kind of related things are also given, information. Good pictures are there, but it's like black and white. If you see other books, they might be a little colored, but also the price is also high. Everything you'll find about Indian Railways, whatever is happening, visit to Portugal, then lockdown, and most of the stuff you want to read, you can read. However, it depends on which exam preparing. For example, if you are preparing for IAS, then mostly everything will be important. However, if you are studying for defense related, then defense knowledge is a must for you. International affairs is also there. It's very good. China, every country separately is given one important things. So I have to choose which and all. I have already chosen the neighboring countries of India to simplify my approach. You can underline and then take down notes. So that's before the exam you can take a revision, and it will be very helpful for you. I have gone for various government exams, and I have really found these things useful from this book. I have been collecting Arihant from past 1 year, and it has benefited me a lot. Economy and banking, however, I avoid this because I don't understand anything what is written in this. If you are from MA economics or you're doing economics, then maybe for you these things will be important, so you can have a look. But for a general point of view, I would not recommend you to study this too much. If you want, you can read the headlines, but still there are many terms in which you will not understand. There are some state affairs as well, so whichever state you are in, you can read that. Delhi, you can read Delhi, every detail is given, major things. The leaders' names as well. A very good descriptive book. Diagrams are given. I am from Karnataka, so that's why I have read Karnataka only. Maharashtra, if I have a Maharashtra, I can read that. Sorry for the disturbance about the crackers. I really can't do much about it, so please bear with me. Uttar Pradesh, I have read Uttar Pradesh headlines little bit. Yogi Adityanath, sorry. A few advertisements here and there, but it's better than reading newspapers in which out of some 10 pages you'll get 3 or 4 pages advertisement. The science and technology part may be important for most of you who are preparing for ISRO, DRDO, and various other exams. Railways. The science and technology is very important. State affairs, not so much. Unless until you are writing any PCS or other exams. The machine is also shown very good. So as you can see, this book is very relevant for whatever you want. The space as well, if you want to read about space, you can read it. Then this is about plants and nature. Defense and security, I like this because I found it useful for my exams. Whichever I wanted to understand, I've done it. So next thing question will be from where to get this. You can go to the Arihant official website and you can buy a monthly copy. Else, if any Sapna bookstore is there near you, you can go and get it. I usually get from Sapna because it's near it, and you can get the updated version as well. Also, if any local newspaper provides you with this magazine, you can take the subscription and you can do it. So everything is sports. If you want to read, you can read. I'm not much interested about sports. Newspapers is also very important. Or everything. Who and all has been in the news, who has been famous appointments, who is promoted to what appointed. So all this book is very useful. Behind this is very important, who is who, chief, owner, officer, banks. If you are finding for a quick overview of any important issue, then you can read this. At least you'll get to know who and all are at the highest positions that you want to know. This book is very structured. If you're looking for any good book in which for you want to prepare, so this is one of them. I want other books also are bad, but according to me, this is good. I'm preparing for defense related exams at my school. 400 current shooters. This I have practiced a little bit. However, you wouldn't see any ticks. I have not done that. But this is mostly based upon what the content of the book is. So only if I study the whole book, you'll be able to solve around 100% of this. After this, some options also given. Very good. This is it. A very organized book, I would say. And hope you liked this video. And if there any doubt is there, please ask me in the comment, as well as please like, share and subscribe. I will be coming with the next review. Please let me know which one you want. Thank you for now. Happy Diwali.